Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just here at the local wetlands, which you've seen on some of my other videos. I've been here with my friend Greg, teaching him how to do photography. I'm just using the Canon 80D just to film this little bit of an intro. When I got here about a quarter of an hour ago, I couldn't believe all the birds that were on the lawns here, ducks everywhere and a few other species thrown in. And so I just thought I'd just take this time out. I'm using a headset and speaking to a microphone on the Canon 80D just to check out how it goes and to perhaps block out any wind noise. But I've just been wandering around. I've got a number of cameras here. This one I'm filming on is the 80D. Got a 55 to 200 millimeter zoom lens, no, 55 to 250 zoom lens on it, and that's a nice camera as well. And so I'm just trying these out. Whether I'll use them all or not, I'm not sure. There's another one here. There's another 700D. And on this one here, I've got the that's a pancake lens. It's about a 50 millimeter macro pancake lens. What is it? It's a 40 millimeter lens. A 40 millimeter lens. I'm just going to continue to walk around, take a few more shots, and I'll put all some of this together later on YouTube. This one's a bit disjointed. I didn't bring my little holder for my phone, so that's why I'm recording it on the 80D. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you like, subscribe if you wish, and enjoy whatever it is I'm going to put up after I finish this. There's a mozzie trying to get me now, so I'll see you later. Just arrived at this local park. And look at all these birds on the lawn here, all these ducks mainly. There's a moorhen there, and then some crested pigeons. Just amazing. So I bought 4 cameras plus my phone today, so I should get a couple of good shots. Come up to see me, and I haven't got any food for you. Now it's time to watch the passing parade of all the birds, and this will go on for a little while. I might add a little bit of music if I can find some, just to enhance the viewing experience. I just couldn't get over the different colours of all these hybrid ducks. They were beautiful. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time.